Good morning, everybody. GM. Welcome to the GM Show, the Friday edition. I hope you're all feeling warm and merry
GM.
as the
GM.
flames of the economy warm your soul. I don't know what
I
I'm
mean, it's
saying.
burning, so it should
It
keep you
is
warm, right?
exactly as the flames of your burning ETH.
Is it?
Yeah,
Yes.
at least
Yes.
we can stay warm with our ETH by
Your
burning it.
burning bags will keep you warm.
Exactly. Well, we'll chat about our burning bags here in a second. Let me. Oops, having the wrong website up. Check out our website gmdefi.xyz. Now, there's two important things here. You're gonna want to really just go to the Discord because when you go to the Discord now, you can get the kimono indicator on your own. You don't have to send us your TradingView username or anything like that
Mm,
anymore. Just join the Discord, go to the kimono channel, and you can get this indicator for free. It shows you the
nice.
four key parts of the market: trend, momentum, volatility, volume. It's got 10
That's
different
super
built-in
cool.
indicators. It is super
Very cool.
cool.
You know how awesome it is that it's just free because indicators like this, Raymond.
Oh
I don't know if
yes,
our viewers know. They cost
I
like
like this.
thousands of dollars. Our indicator
It's
is
the home
free and
shopping
it's
network all
just
of a
as
sudden.
good. Comes with
Wow,
all the support like all those other
wow,
ones.
wow.
That's why it's awesome. So,
Could you give us a
anyways, it's pretty cool.
demonstration?
I'll give a demo on the charts. Yeah,
Oh,
like I
okay,
do every
cool.
day.
Oh,
Every day.
oh, every day you do? Oh, jeez, what? I
We
obviously
yeah
don't
we
pay
show
enough
up to do
attention
it.
to the show.
Right. Usually that's when everyone tunes out.
Yes.
That's when everyone goes to
Oh,
Twitter and
we
check.
do charts.
check
Oh,
it.
right. And speaking of Twitter, if you're watching
Yeah.
on Twitter, you
Where do you
are
at?
an MFer. Come over to YouTube. This is where the chat and the life, the blood of the show happens. So,
Yes.
come over
Subscribe.
to YouTube.
Hit
So
that sub.
subscribe. Hit
Like
the
it.
subscribe, hit the like, do all that stuff. You know who's not hitting like? These ETH W miners are leaving the ETH W already.
Aw.
It took
Aw.
less than like a week for ETH W to pretty much
Well,
have a massive
that was
sell
fast.
off, and the miners' exodus has begun. Uh,
They're like, oh wait, this isn't gonna go up to $2,000 like ETH. This is bull.
Yes, I guess it had been hovering slightly below $30. It spiked in the moments before the transition to a maximum of
Mhm.
almost 60. Oh yeah, we already know that. But at the time of this article, ETH-W is down 90% to just over $6.
Mhm.
Quite depressing. Although
It's at
the
least worth something.
Yes, the failing hash rate. I guess the hash rate is coming down, so that's the sign that the mining activity is
Mhm.
coming down. I guess mining activity peaked right after the merge. I mean, not surprising at all. And I did see that somebody had done an estimate that like I think we already covered that like 90% of those miners that had been mining ETH are pretty much going to go bankrupt. So thanks a lot, Ethereum, making it all energy efficient and shit and putting
Well,
all the miners out of work.
if you had those miners, you had a lot of time to you knew this was coming, like
Well, I sure hope so. Yeah. You had
you
time to
had
make
time to
a
pivot is what
backup
I'm saying.
plan. Yes,
If you
exactly.
didn't pivot, then shame on you.
Yes, shame on you if you didn't pivot. I like that. Good, good. GitHub has restored the Tornado Cache code in read only mode. So I guess they've lifted the ban on Tornado Cache's open source repos. I'm not really sure what prompted this move. It is owned by Microsoft, GitHub, and they put it into read only mode. I guess after the Treasury clarified that sanctions against Tornado Cash did not apply to people's ability to share and read the app's code, is when they changed it. So I guess that's a little change. I guess September 13th is when they clarified that. So yeah, they said Tornado Cash sanctions don't stop people from sharing its code. U.S. persons would not be prohibited by U.S. sanctions regulations from copying the open source code and making it available online for others to view, as well as discuss, teach about, or include in open source code in written publications. They definitely say that they don't say anything there about hosting it again on your own server.
Yeah.
You can teach about it and study it, but that's it. Harmony announces an update on their Horizon Bridge attack recovery plan after the 100 million dollar attack in June. They've been trying to figure out how to help their users out, and I guess they originally proposed minting billions of one tokens to compensate the hack victims, but apparently they've now provided an alternative plan that would use treasury funds to compensate everybody. It's a proof of stake sharded network. The hack exploited the bridge. We all know all this, right? We all know this. We remember all this chaos. They offered a $1 million bounty if they return the stolen funds, but they didn't steal it. Big surprise there. I mean, they didn't return it. My bad. Big surprise there. That it's like they stole 100 million and they were offered $1 million to return the 100 million. That seems like a not so great trade-off there. If
you're just like, I'll take my chances with the 100 mil.
Yeah, I
because
mean,
either
I
way,
don't know. I mean, $1 million is pretty good. I mean, I'd say that's a pretty good day's worth of work, and to not get into any trouble and just take your $1 million and go away. But I mean, I guess they're confident in their ability to launder the $100 million. But I guess this new proposal said that they want to preserve the foundation of the Harmony blockchain with 0% minting, and they are proposing to use the foundation treasury for recovery funds. They don't really say much more than that. They said in coming days they'll provide more detail outlining the mechanisms to do that. So we'll see what happens. There's still hope for people who were hacked, it sounds like. Still hope. California's Golden Gate University will educate students on the blockchain and crypto. So we're starting to get more, mainstream adoption signs, I think, here with universities starting to offer blockchain programs at their schools.
I wonder what they mean by that. It was like coding kind of type stuff.
I guess it'll
would that just
focus
be like-
on decentralized storage systems, the technology behind Web3. They're going to be working with Filecoin Foundation, and yeah, that's all I kind of see here so far. It sounds like they're going to try to expand the program too. They want to churn out blockchain experts. That's what they're saying. So, blockchain experts.
All you gotta do is watch YouTube.
Hey.
And our show.
Hey. Oh, that's true. That's true.
Yeah,
that's true.
Then
I'm
you'll
not
be
being
an
paid by
expert
California
yourself.
Golden Gate University, so I'm not going to shill for them. I'm not going to protect their bag. Yeah, come watch YouTube. That's what I did. I learned English on YouTube, and I'm perfect at it. So, actually, YouTube didn't exist then. Where is Torque Nation? DeKensis asks. I don't know, but he did say good morning. Bing bong. Good vibes. Welcome, Torque Nation. Ripple will have spent over, this is a painful number, $100 million defending itself against the SEC in their lawsuit. Just a staggering amount of money that law firm has made. I mean, just insane, dude. I mean, I don't know. I didn't even know lawsuits could cost that much.
I did. Neither did I. That's incredible.
How does that add up? I don't know.
Bro, I didn't even know there was.
Sounds like they're getting fleeced.
I didn't even know XRP had that much money. That's incredible.
Yeah, it sounds like they're totally getting.
I get it.
fleeced.
XRP has been pumping, but it's like what? It's only like 50 cents. It's like 48 cents.
Yeah.
100 million.
Wild,
That's incredible.
Dude. Yeah, pretty wild.
Whoa.
Yeah, pretty wild.
Mind blown.
Mind blown. So, man, it's like they got it. The numbers got to go up for XRP so they can just pay off. This
FOMO
bill,
XRP
their lawsuit bill, the law firm bill.
Yeah, they got a bag to pay off.
Yeah, shout out to their law firm. That was a genius move.
Way to go.
Sucked a lot of liquidity out of the market via that. This was just some random weird thing I came across on Twitter. I don't even know how I found this because they only have 5 followers, but this company is going to be trying to make stylish hardware wallets. So this would be a wearable wallet that's a watch and a wallet, which is kind of interesting. There's
A
also this.
watcholet is what they call it.
This
A
looks like
watcholet.
a Tamagotchi or something and a wallet, but I think it's just a
Cool.
wallet. But it's this is for
Why?
not for
Can I say ask
children, of course.
why?
This is
Why
not
would you?
targeting children, of course. It's
Why
just
would anyone want to do this?
targeting e-girls.
Is there? Why do people want to carry their wallet like that on with like a watch, dude? I lose that kind of shit all the time. Like those little knickknack, like my
I think
sunglasses.
I
Like
was going to say
forget that.
sunglasses. The worst would be if they were
Yeah.
built into my sunglasses.
Yeah.
That would be a real problem.
I don't know. This doesn't seem like a
You're
good
not bullish,
idea.
huh? You're not bullish.
I just don't understand who. No, because it's always suggested. Like no one says, "Oh yeah, carry your ledger around with you wherever the fuck you go." Like no one says that,
Um,
right?
I don't know. I don't know what
Who
people
says that?
say. I'm not saying it. That's for sure. I'm not saying it. Well,
Anyways,
if you, I
unless
mean, how are you going to pay for your Starbucks and approve the transaction if you don't have your ledger on your wrist?
what?
You have to prove the transaction to Starbucks from your ledger. So, I mean, you've got to
Oh
bring it with you, right? Oh,
no,
Twerk
I
Nation
don't
is
believe so.
back. Bing
I
bong.
don't believe you have to
What's up?
bring it with
What's
you.
up, dude? I like the Twerk Nation energy in this place. I'm going to check out your channel. I have no idea what it's about, but I'm intrigued. You've got like good clickbait name.
Sounds like my kind of nation. Yeah.
Yeah, what's on Twerk Nation? Exactly. Oh, and then Abdul pops in at the same time. I'm telling you, these are all Dikenza's alt accounts. I'm telling you, Abdul pops in, Twerk Nation pops in. You're all just Dikenza alts. I I'm grateful though that you would make all these alt accounts to help us feel like
They're
there's
just
people watching.
that would be hilarious.
Oh, yes. Do you have a sample news article? Yeah, if you have sample news article, Twerk Nation, please send it over. Just kidding. Kansas, don't start. Come on, come on, come on. Let's no ASM brains, okay? Don't get Abdul on my case about that. Yes, go get some other verified alts. Thank you. Bring the alts. Get the alts. Thank you, Twerk Nation. You are my new favorite
So
viewer is
funny.
Twerk Nation. Okay, let's go look at the charts.
Yeah, okay. All right. Let's look at the charts, guys. It's not a good start for the day. I'm just saying. Just giving you the heads up in case you didn't look yourself for let's look at Bitcoin. Let's start with the Bitcoin. Let's check out the Bitcoin price. Okay.
I'm
So,
telling you, look, Terror Nation now with the ping pong. I'm telling you, I knew it. I knew it. He does have alts. This guy's a
yeah,
genius.
he was. He said he was going. Yeah.
I knew it. I knew you. I knew I could depend on this guy. I like this guy.
Yeah. He's got nations.
Dude, he's got nations of alts
Yeah.
at his
All
disposal.
right. Guys, I just want everyone to know, or yeah, so if you have the Bitcoin and you are holding on to it, do you have a sell point, Anon? Is there a point when you're just like, I gotta get rid of this? Because we're dumping right now. We're dumping. I mean, I'm expecting for Bitcoin to at least right come down to this level here. Once we get there, if we close today below this level, um, I would say that we could be easily seeing our low here. Um, this was back on June 18th. So I mean, this is yeah, yesterday gave me a little bit of hope. Like, hey, maybe we can get a couple days to come on up and challenge the 50 moving average. But today so far isn't looking so hot. The market it's not looking good. So in the 1 hour, we got a clear rejection off the 200 moving average. Came under the 50 moving average, challenged it, got rejected. I mean everything looks like it's all according to plan. brought down below the moving averages, came up, challenged the 50 and 200 moving average. 50 moving average goes under the 200, bearish signals, and we pull away from it. So yeah, if we break this level of resistance, guys, we are going down to right. I've been saying if we pull back to the week. Oh, right. We want to go to Binance. Sorry. Let's go to the Binance one. Right? Most action on Bitcoin has happened down here at around, where am I at? About 9,000, guys. 9,000. I'm thinking, 12,000. That's the last level of support here. Or what was resistance, right? So you'd expect it to be support. We also have a level of support. Oh, just kidding. That's the one we're at, guys. This is not good. We're down in we're about to go down to Goblin Town. All right. But we really got to hold this level of support. If we break it, yeah, I mean, I would expect us to be coming back and playing down here and this level where the point of control is lower level, lower volume level here. Yeah, I'm not. It's not looking good. Sorry to be all doom and gloom,
Yeah,
but
dude, I
that's the
can
way
hear
it
it in your voice. It makes me like sad just hearing
looks.
it.
It's it's just not. It's not looking good.
You're really
Not looking
harsh in
good.
my
ETH.
mood right now.
You're like, I got way too stoned for this, man. You're like, you're harsh and my
Maybe
mellow.
not
Not
stoned
ready for
enough.
this.
Uh,
Yeah. Um, ETH, ETH is holding this level of support. This is a crucial level of support for ETH. We're on weekly, aren't we? Let's go back to daily here. Right, we're just holding on to this level. Now, this is a level that I've been saying that I've been waiting for to potentially um, buy ETH. This was because it's a first level, untested level of support. So I'm expecting a bounce, but it's got to hold. It's got to hold. We can't be seeing candles closing down below here, and or else I'm expecting price to come down, take this vector candle zone, um, and it's yeah. So just gonna be watching this level here to be seeing how it goes. I don't like to short support, right? That's not what I like to do.
yeah, not a
Just
fan.
because it's like right here, for example, you're gonna get this kind of type stuff gonna happen. Challenge the 50 moving average, got a giant pullback, and now we might be getting a little retracement. Um, so just be careful trading out there, guys. Everything's down pretty good. Ape is down 6%. Um, let's pull that back on the daily. On the daily, challenge the 50 moving average. So this is actually what you kind of want to see on a bullish pattern here. Price break above the 50 moving average. Okay. Comes back, challenges it. Now you want to see a rejection. Now is when you want to see a rejection. If it starts to come right back down under the 50 moving average, then then this is just a trap. It's just a trap to get a whole bunch of people longing, get them trapped up here and bring it down to Goblin Town. All right. Is there any winners? The only real winner here is Doge. How about it?
Oh my
Okay,
gosh.
it's
Wow,
up
I haven't heard that
1%.
name in a while.
The daily is actually, yeah, Doge is such a piece of Doge. So it's not looking too good, but hey, it's up. The only thing that's really raging, which is not what we want to see, is the dollar. It is just,
Silly
we're
dollar.
getting a massive green candle here. Look at this green vector candle just raging. I mean,
Nobody likes
everything
that.
just pretty much has been shown, challenge 50 moving average separates. I mean, there's no sign of stopping. And if you really pull back and if you're like, oh man, yeah, dollar, it's been raging. This is what, 4 hour. Let's go to the daily. And you could just see the massive pumpage the dollar has had.
Massive pumpage.
And this is like, so back here, that's like 2015.
Yeah.
I mean, this is,
Yeah, it's raging, dude.
yeah, yeah. Uh, so not cool. This isn't cool.
Yeah.
So that's not good for investments, because basically that's just meaning you're having investors flood their money in
Yep.
with the dollar because they're finding that to be much less risky than
Yeah.
stocks
It's
or
just kind of like
bonds
when
or anything.
people, stable up, right? When you stable up, you move from ETH and Bitcoin over to stable coins because you're
Yep,
just,
in the crypto world,
yep.
we're like, you're like, dollar. You mean stable? You, yep, that's what I
Kind
mean.
of.
They
I
mean
mean, I guess I don't know.
stable.
Like, I've never. It's weird to think of the dollar as stable, but yes, I guess so.
Dude, look at that. That is incredible. That is incredible. So that's definitely not what we really want to be seeing, but that's what's happening, guys. So yeah.
Dude,
Anyway,
the sigh, the sigh. I
yeah.
can't. It's
Yeah. It's not looking good, guys. It's not looking good. Again, I don't like to short support, but damn.
yeah,
Mm,
yeah.
Bitcoin. Will you hold? Will Bitcoin hold? That's that's the question.
That's your question. Well, Bing Bong.
Bing bong.
Bing Bong, bro. I like this Bing Bong thing. I think we're gonna adopt this saying.
Bing bong
Okay, is
is
that
isn't
all
that
you
the
have
name?
to show us?
That's
Show us some Solana. Show us what's going on in Solana.
ew.
I
Fuck.
know, I know.
Oh
Well,
man, dude.
we have and Cardano. Show us Solana and Cardano, my two
All right,
favorite
Solana.
altcoins.
We're on a daily. You know, it's kind of more so a lot more like the Bitcoin chart, where you are at the lows here, at risk of breaking support, which would then bring you down, right? If it breaks this, then you better hope that it's just a wick down and we get right back up, because if that doesn't work out for you, you got vector candle zones that are for it to come down to. Yeah. Um it's not looking good for any of this. But so Solana, it's got to hold the support. That's it. That's its one job to do right now, is hold this line. Or else it's going down to Goblin Town. Uh Cardano. We were looking at Cardano yesterday, and it is, yep, at it's at a little bit better position, but still pretty rough. I mean, you're down here at the. It's not really that better at all. I don't know what I'm saying. It's bad. I mean, let's just be real here. Uh, it, it, everything's just at this level of support that if these start breaking, and we might see Bitcoin hold and a couple alts break, and then those alts are going to go down to those, more lower lows and type thing. Um, if Bitcoin holds, other alts could definitely be starting to break those levels here. Um, so just be careful and keep your eye on the charts.
Are you going to be doing any trading this weekend, or are you staying out of the market as
No,
usual?
I might. If I almost got in a trade this morning. I didn't. I'm kind of waiting to see what happens here. Um, see, I was gonna short the 15-minute, but this kind of took off a little bit before me, like, because I saw this challenge here, and then I went to go make coffee, and then I saw this guy, and I'm like, okay, I'll get in, but then this guy just dropped super quick, and I was too late to the game. but that's okay. I'm just kind of waiting to see because I saw this giant red vector candle here that it created. So I'm expecting a little bit of retrace, maybe come up, challenge the 200 moving average, and then come right back down. This is Cardano. Well, Ethereum looked very similar. It's the same thing.
Where
I was
are
like,
we
this
right
looks
now?
a little different, but
That's giving me flashbacks to like last week when I went in on a trade thinking I was looking at the Ethereum chart,
see,
but I was looking at the Bitcoin chart. And so I traded into Ethereum on Bitcoin chart and it totally just was not good. I will
yeah.
try not to
So
make that mistake ever
I
again.
yeah. I mean, it could be. Now might be a nice time to short. Really, I mean, you have this green vector candle that kind of stopped the pump, but I don't know. I'll wait here just a little bit longer. The 15-minute is telling me on the kimono wave here is telling me to short. However, I see the RSI here. Um, it's starting to cross and it's pointing up, right? It's trending up. So we could see maybe a little bit more of a relief pump here. See, and 30-minute, this is another reason why I didn't go in because 30-minute, it was looking pretty bad, right? Just because of this giant red vector candle. But it kept this. It kept it kept the green wave, which to me is like saying, okay, it's kind of a fake out. Could be a fake out. Could be a fake dump. Really trapping a bunch of shorts maybe right here, and trying to trap them there. Get the price comp. You achieved your goal in getting lower lows, right? You got lower highs, sure, and then now you could get the price maybe to come up, challenge the 50 moving average before you start bringing it back down again. So I'm just gonna be patient and see if there's a better entry here. And I don't like to short, like it would be a really short scalp because I'm not a big fan of shorting support. If I do short it, I would like to see a breakout and then retest to turn that support into resistance. But I haven't quite seen that yet. So like I would say this level right here actually is a decent one. So if you said somewhere right around here, this level that I have in this box, what I would like to see is price to close below it more on the higher time frames. Maybe like here on the 15-minute, it looked like something like this, where you're having price come up and challenge the level and getting a rejection, because then that'd be telling me that okay, this is now resistance, and then it's going to likely start treating these other levels as resistance, and then you just start playing the levels down. So I would be that's kind of what I'm looking for, a little bit more confirmation that we're going to be breaking this support, but right now we're technically holding it, so it's um I don't want to short here necessarily. I'm
Right.
looking for shorts. If it comes up back up, claim this vector candle zone, and gets this 50 moving average, and lower time frames are telling me it's dumpy time, then all right, I'll short. I'll short and scalp that. But I kind of missed this giant move down. I'm gonna see if the if candles can come up and claim this vector candle zone that it created. So that's my plan for today. Just sit back and wait. And I have an oil change, so I gotta go do that. So if anything, I'm trading from my phone or something. So
FOMOing in the lobby of the oil change place.
yeah,
Damn it!
exactly. That's how I make the worst decisions too. Is when I make an entry on my
What's
phone.
going on, sir? I just got liquidated.
you know, like you guys take ETH, right? Yeah.
Yeah. Terra Nation asks, what do you guys think
Change
of
your own
Helium,
tangle.
T-Mobile working together, and Helium using Solana as their new layer one? I think it's
Oh
a matter
yeah.
of time before everyone just accepts Solana as the ambrosia of the of the of
Oh.
the neon god that humanity is unknowingly building. Oh wow, wow, that was beautiful. That was beautiful, Terra Nation. I want you to just, can you just write the script for the show? Actually, I
Yeah,
like
God.
your I like the way you put things. But yeah, we briefly
Well,
discussed helium moving over to Solana yesterday, and I do think
mhm.
that is bullish. And I saw a little bit of that helium and T-Mobile news as well, and I think this is where, again, we see a lot of signs of Web3 adoption happening at a larger scale here with all kinds of big companies starting to integrate Web3 technology. So
Yeah.
I'm bullish on Solana still as of now.
Well,
It's everything changes in this market very quickly, right? Last year, I would never have even considered being bullish about Solana, and this year, things are. It seems
it,
like
I,
we've got Solana
yeah,
is.
it's kind
It's
of
got a lot of VC money behind it. It is more centralized, but it's got you know big backers and big players are adopting it pretty
well,
quickly here.
and well, the reason, right? Because it's like if you are a Web 2 normie brand, whatever, right, and you're trying to bridge the gap of Web 3 to your normie clientele, you got to go with a cheaper crypto like Solana to make
It's
it,
that gas
just more
shit, dude. The
feasible because it's
gas
like
thing.
Ethereum with gas, right? Like people that the logic with gas and stuff like that isn't gonna fly with normal people. Like that, it just is like
Yeah.
paying, $70 extra to mint an NFT or something. It's like what?
Yeah,
That
especially if it's like an NFT for your Starbucks reward program, just like how they're going with
right.
Matic. Yeah, it just doesn't
Yeah,
make any
it's
sense.
just makes zero sense. So it's like for those companies, they're thinking, how do we have our normie clientele bridge that gap, and it's got to be the most convenient um, blockchain out there. So
Yeah, yeah, and I think and honestly, I still think it's the we that hasn't been decided. Mass adoption has not happened in crypto or NFTs yet at all. We were just talking about that like yesterday or the day before too, where like most normie people still don't even really know what NFTs are. So, and granted, they'll start to maybe be using blockchain technology without really even using it in some cases because
right,
it will be integrated into
right,
things.
and
So,
the only way they're going to do that is if it doesn't
yeah.
cost them anything to
Yeah,
use it.
if they're not noticing
Yeah,
yeah, they're not having exactly.
yeah,
So, and like I said, I think the verdict's out still on who the mass adoption chain will be, but I think that the movement and the volume in Solana is part of that. A lot of times I hear people who are Solana NFT traders are normal people who were discouraged by the gas on Ethereum, and so that's why they decided to go over on Solana and start trading there. So again, when we talk about normal people, we have to take into account that not everyone wants to be spending $20,000 on gas to mint an NFT. Looking at you,
yeah.
other deed, but yeah, I think it's the gas is the problem over at Ethereum. That is the thing that's stopping Ethereum from being the just from it like all these other alternatives have popped up because of the speed of transactions and the gas cost. That's why Matic exists.
Yeah.
That's why Solana exists. If that wasn't an issue for adoption, it would these other chains wouldn't be doing it as well as they are and starting to take market share. So again, though, in a year,
Yeah.
the market could look completely different and probably will, just like it
Ethereum
did
will
a
be
year
at
ago.
0.
Whoa, okay, buddy.
Well, they're the ones that
I
went
don't
to
think
proof of stake
Kansas is very
and
quiet right now. I don't think that
change
he's very happy right now, and
change your take oil.
that's $40
Uh
you could put into ETH. That's $40
I
you could use for an ETH transaction gas, Jones.
my oil changes are free actually. And it's a
Oh,
little more than oil change, right? Getting some filters replaced, some other
oh,
fluids. It's like the 50,000 mile checkup kind of deal, all right? So getting a quote to fix side mirror. So it's a little bit more extra than that. But no,
Okay.
I hear you.
Okay.
I still want, if it was just an oil change though, full disclosure, I still want to change it. Okay, that shit's dirty. Gross. I pay for my services.
I do change my own oil actually, but that's because I am I'm one of those people that just is like trying to pinch pennies at every corner. So and it just
Yeah,
like I just
I
go
just
and I
get them
just
for
take
free.
it
I get
out.
my free oil
Yeah, well, if
changes
I
at
got
my
them for free,
dealership.
I would
So
do the same exact thing. Yeah, so you know what I like about Terror Nation, Twerk Nation joining
Bing
this
bong.
stream is that he is evening things out. It was such an ETH maxi chat for so long. We're starting to get some Solana people in here, and now all we need is some Cardano maxis in the chat, and we'll be nice and balanced. Things will be
Some
perfectly
AVAX people. I know
balanced.
there's AVAX people out
They're
there
somewhere
somewhere.
out there. Yeah, they're somewhere out there. There's at least one or two of them.
There's,
But
yeah,
yes,
some
we're getting some
BNB, bro. We gotta
balance.
get the BNBs.
The BNBs, the BSCs,
Get them over
the
here.
everything.
Yeah,
Yes,
we're happy. Hey, the
we're
Mana
just
crew,
blockchain maxis.
Doge,
We're not any blockchain
Doge
specifically.
Army, Shib Army.
Once you start becoming a
We
blockchain
welcome
specific
them all.
maxi,
We
you
FUD
start
them all
to.
the same. That's the thing that we do.
Yes, we
We
do
don't
that too.
FUD one token more than the other. We FUD them all the same. They're
That's
all
true.
going to zero, so it's all just just
We
FUD them
are
all
an
the same.
equal opportunity fudder. Exactly. I'm blockchain agnostic. That's what I always tell people. It's very simple. It's very simple to just tell people I'm blockchain agnostic. I follow the
Yeah,
volume, baby. I follow the volume. So that's what I do. Where are the Cardaniacs? They're all in Colorado, from what I hear. Mr. Take Profits can confirm they actually had a parade because the Vaseline hard fork went through just swimmingly
Vaseline.
yesterday. So they are all having a parade there in Colorado. Mr. Take Profits can confirm. It was bigger than the Avalanche Stanley Cup parade, right? From what I heard, the numbers were just absolute madness. It was raining, but everyone still showed up. It was just madness. I mean, Cardano is just they're taking over the world for sure. Okay, let's go to the intermission, whatever it's called. I almost called it the transmission. I'm stuck in car
It's
world now.
not, dude.
No,
It's not. It's the intermission.
the intermission. So, and when we get back, we will chat about NFTs.
While you may have fumbled for Denzas and missed out on generational wealth like a bozo, you know what? It's not too late to FOMO into Dikenzas. The big and beautiful generative peen art you can put in your wallet or on your wall. No roadmap, no utility, just dicks.
What happened yesterday. Today's the day. Go out there. Don't take shit from nobody. You got a dream, fucking live it. Live it. And if they don't want to be a part of your dream, fuck it. Throw them off the railing. Who gives a fuck? At the end, it's you against the fucking world. You follow me? And then it's you against you. So you got two fucking wars you're fighting at one time. Smoke a little reefer, write your notes, do your 22 push-ups, and tell the world, you know what? You better fucking hide and camouflage, because I'm coming for you, motherfucker.
You don't know about Bitcoin? No, tell me. The crypto money. Be on your phone.
Okay.
And we're gonna sweep the floor with the Bitcoin. So better believe it. Better believe it. Bitcoin. Go to the moon.
Not this time. I stay on Earth.
So don't do it. Yeah.
Perfect.
I've got an offset carrier here. I think it's audio.
Well, plug it in. Plug it in.
Center that segment.
Centering. Can you clean it up any more than that, Fish? I'm working on it. Try zooming out. All right, freeze.
Reverse values.
Try zooming out again. Rotate 90 degrees counterclock.
Watching GMTV.
Thank you guys for sticking around through that brief little intermission there. And like, subscribe, comment, or just whatever. Do something on the channel, please. Tell YouTube that you love us. If you're watching on Twitter right now, you are an MFer. Come over to youtube.com/GMTVLOL.
We should short
put the law
XRP.
Oh, yeah, I have heard XRP has been having a little retrace there, but we put the law in the end, so this isn't financial advice, by the way.
Yeah, this ain't no financial advice.
This is laws. You're here for the laws, people.
I'm full disclosure. I'm really bad at this. So,
Mr. Take Profits is not actually a financial advisor. Counter to what many people think. He is not actually a real financial advisor.
And I'm not a doctor.
He's just an asshat. He's not a doctor as well.
Don't take my health advice.
He's just some random guy in a cubicle in the metaverse, okay? You don't even know if he's real. He might be an AI.
Getting a donut for my fat ass. So
donuts, waffles, living the good life over there.
Oh, fuck.
Is it waffle day over there?
Those waffles. No, donuts probably. I think it's usually here on Friday. It's like donuts. I usually pass on the donuts though.
Oh,
I'm not really a big sweet tooth guy. I don't really like a lot of sweets.
Yeah, me neither. I'm not. I
usually will do like a bite of something and then I'm good.
Yeah.
But dude, I don't know. Those waffles that last time, no, I don't know. Something about those just hit hard. Those were good.
I'm a salty, spicy guy. Okay, so we are on the
I could talk food all the time. Can we turn this into a food podcast? I could talk food all day. I could eat food.
Show. Let's do a lunch hour show where we just share our lunch and we eat our lunch live and we just
I'll
shoot
live
the shit.
stream me smoking my pulled pork for like 10 hours straight. It'll be good.
Oh yeah, dude, just put up the cam, the pork cam. The smoke cam. So we got CryptoPunks at the top of the chart. Usually that's the case. It is the case right now. Helions, the sole project that minted yesterday, is at the number 2 spot. Has been crushing the volume there at 22,000 SOL. Definitely doing good there. We got the Fidenzas is still crushing it as well. 496 ETH. These are 24-hour volume numbers, by the way, and a couple other notable ones. Renga still holding in top 10 there and has popped up again over 1 ETH, so good for them. And we got the Secret Skelly Society, which also minted yesterday. This was that cross chain. They're on like Near and ETH and now Solana. It's like, Psychedelics Anonymous, how they have like 9 collections. This is like the skeleton version of that, where now they have like 3 collections. They'll probably do Cardano next. So that one's also pumped quite a bit as well. So we definitely got some pumpage. We got a nice variety here of Cardano, or Solana and ETH NFTs. Another one that sold out yesterday was this Bet3. This was the sports betting one that we had been looking out for a while. This one minted out as well. And has revealed these are what they look like. It's okay. I don't know.
Not a huge fan, man.
Not a huge fan of the art.
Just saying.
But that's not why you get this NFT. This NFT is not about the art. This NFT is about getting royalty kickbacks from the website.
I thought it would have something more to go with their branding, right? Like
sports betting, like something to do with sports or something.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, something.
Yeah. Well, you're wrong. Frank has.
Oh wow!
Frank has tweeted that there is something cool coming exclusively for Dead Gods that have claimed their utes. Now, this, I think, is the strategy to combat what we've been looking at every day here. At the why, like we keep asking, like who hasn't minted their Ute yet? And I think it's probably some of these people that own dead gods that have not taken advantage of minting yet. So he's teasing this this kind of potential something for people who have their dead god and have also minted their Ute. And I think as a way to push some more of those mints out over the finish line. So, strategy. I get it.
Yeah, well, dude. Yeah, I mean, I just want to again say who said they weren't going to mint out. I think I remember.
I know. We're still.
Who said they weren't going to mint
waiting.
out? Who said? Oh yeah, it's a giant fucking scam, and that Frank dude is
still anonymous, still worshipped. Nothing's changed. Outcast Academy. This is minting today. This is I think they call it entertain to earn or shitpost to earn ecosystem is what they're trying to do with this drama token. So you'll be able to essentially you can, I don't know exactly how it works, but you can essentially nominate people who are shit posting really well to get drama tokens through Twitter somehow. So you got some interesting stuff going on here. Their whole thing is about entertainment. They have actors that are they've been making these videos about this is the principal of the school, this academy, and they've been having make videos to promote this. So I think it's going to do well. It's has had entertaining marketing for sure. So I think that they've done pretty well there with the marketing bit. But they are going to be minting on Magic Eden today. I think this is whitelist only. So, of course, if you don't have whitelist, you will have to be someone's exit liquidity.
That's an interesting idea. That's not too bad. Do it, making a shit token that just kind of that people can be
rewards people for
deal
shit
out
posting.
to rewards. Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, it's kind of like the raid to earn, but it's like a twist on raid to earn where it's like shit.
I'm not big on the name. I just because I might just be old. I just think of the band
true.
Outcast.
You're definitely old. Yes. Oh, I see what you're saying. The band Outcast. Yeah, I miss them. But yeah, you can see these are pretty clever videos that they've created for their marketing. So they definitely went ham with that. And I think Gary Vee even has talked about them as well. So
really?
They're gonna get.
I mean, that's cool.
They'll get a nice pump.
I mean, yeah, interesting. Are you gonna mint it?
No, bro. I don't have whitelist. Because I wasn't, I don't do whitelist.
You didn't shill.
I didn't grind hard enough to get whitelist. In fact, I never joined their Discord. I didn't do anything, so I do not care enough. But Spaz, this is some kind of NFT. This is another one of those. I have no idea what this is. This will be minting today as well. This is some kind of weird project. I don't know what it is. Not super stoked about that one. This one is an upcoming project that has not announced a mint date yet. So this is one that you could maybe actually get on the list if you wanted to. This is called the Conductors. And this is another one where I'm not really 100% sure because I haven't done my DYOR yet, but they're building Whoosh, which is empowering physical assets using NFT certificates of authenticity and more. They're in the Fat Cats Capital Accelerator, which is a Solana accelerator. So this is a project I am just going to keep an eye on. Won't grind for the whitelist, so they got to make it easy. Just do it like whitelist raffle. Make it easy on me, please. I just like entering the raffle, and then I win or I don't win, and I go on with my life. These whitelist token things, I've seen where you got, and also I saw you got to buy whitelist raffle spots sometimes. So, man, there's all kinds of schemes going on.
Man. Yeah, that is genius. Oh, yeah, you want to get on a whitelist? A soul, buddy. Give me one soul. You get on the whitelist, and then you could mint
and it's not even, it's a raffle.
Soul.
It's a raffle ticket. So you can buy as many raffle tickets as you want. to be considered for the whitelist.
Gosh, dude.
Yeah, that's genius. Huh? I saw that one. Trying to remember which project that was. Oh, it was just one of the
That's
ones that minted in the past couple days. Too many
evil
projects minting.
genius there.
Too many
Yeah.
projects have minted in the past week for me to keep
Oh,
track of. So,
man.
okay, let me shill some of Abdul's bags. I asked Abdul
We're
to
not
send me.
we're not gonna show up. When are we gonna show off our NFT project frame?
Not
Next
yet,
week?
but yeah, maybe next week. Maybe next week.
All
We're
right.
getting
Next
very
week,
close.
everyone,
We're
get
getting very
ready.
close, everybody.
We're getting close.
We're getting close. Closer
It's gonna
than
have
ever.
the
It's gonna be
coolest
great.
utility
Oh my gosh!
utility
I
you
won't promise
guys
that.
ever seen in your life.
Oh my God! Wow. This Gods Unchained. This is what Abdul wanted to shill me. I guess this is a trading card game by Immutable. Immutable is well-known blockchain. So the Immutable X blockchain, I guess, is what this is on. You can play, earn, build, and trade with true NFT and Gods ownership. So this looks like an interesting game. I'm just going to kind of shill some of these because I don't have... I'm gonna have to do DYOR on all these, but he sent me all these game NFTs, which I appreciate. Abdul is like my own little alpha caller for me, my personal alpha caller. Mega Cryptopolis. This one looks kind of interesting, but this looks very old, May 2018. Like maybe this one has been around for a while, but they're still posting, which means
I
things
think
are
I've
still
seen
happening.
this. Yeah, dude, I've seen this one.
See, they're still operating on all cylinders, no hiccups. So this is something. Looks almost SimCity, City Skylines like ish. I'm not really exactly sure, but I'm gonna check this one out too. Oh, can you walk around in your little city? Kind of looks like that. Oh, interesting. Maybe it's like a city, and you buy like little properties or something. It's like a property buying game, maybe that you can actually walk around in. That's kind of interesting. Blockchain Cuties. This runs on 6 chains, all browsers and devices. Okay, that's kind of interesting. This is another one from 2018. These are definitely Abdul's bags because these are all projects that probably minted a long time ago. That he's just been holding
Abdul's
on
like,
to
hey, yeah,
for years.
here's some great games that I know of, man. Yeah,
Yeah,
like please,
yeah.
like
Please
pump
be my
these.
exit liquidity, please.
Yeah.
Uh,
That's funny.
Twerk Nation says they're holding Cryo War mobile PvP blockchain game. Okay, I'll just pull it up right now. That's the kind of mood I'm in. Let's check out Cryo War. This is probably it. Real-time PvP VP. I like PvP games. I like to mess people up. I was training on Mini Royale yesterday. I'm getting ready to own fools. But this looks kind of interesting. I like this. The graphics look pretty good here. I'm trying to see more of it. It's mobile friendly. This looks good. Okay, I like this one. This is another one I'm gonna do some
cool.
Dior on. I like this, the look of this one. This looks fun. This is another one that looks like it's maybe been around for a little while. I like these legacy bag projects you guys are shilling me. This looks fun. Oh, wait, let me go to the website. I like that it's mobile friendly. That's cool. I wonder, is this just like a browser game? Oh, it's Unreal Engine. Cool, that's why it looks good. No pay to win. Oh, that's nice. Nice, no pay to win. 0 fees on Solana. Cool. Okay, yeah, I'm going to check this one out too.
Is it play to earn?
DUR. Yeah, is this play to earn? That's the question. Rewards coming soon. Blockchain integration. Yeah, how's it? What's yeah, give me some. I want money. I want money for playing your game. Excuse me. Oh man, look at all these.
Give me shit token.
investors. Polygon invested in it. Oh, that's interesting. Oh my gosh. Yeah, so they got lots of investors. That's cool. Yeah, but where is my shit token? I think that's a good question. That's a valid question. Maybe good for Asian gamers. They love Mobile Legends and shit like that. Yeah, that's totally true. I mean, the Asian market is so big for gaming, really. So
shit like that.
So I'm saying he needs to write the script for this show. I really like the way he. I like the way he words everything.
Sound like it came out of my mouth. Yeah, that's great. Um, yeah, I'm like, I'm all for the games and stuff. I really want there to be like a play. Being bogs, dude.
Bing Bong Friday,
Bing bong,
baby.
bing bong. It's so funny. I just can't get over because Bing Bong is the dude that's on what's that Pixar movie?
Man, it's a Pixar day. Kansas did a Pixar reference. Oh, is that what he said? Actually, I think that's what he said. I think he talked about that. I think he said he
oh yeah,
wanted
yeah.
us to do the Bing Bong from from the Pixar movie. He said it's
It's the one where you have all the different
Inside
feelings and
Out.
whatnot. Yes, Inside Out.
Inside
Yeah, that's
Out.
it. Yeah, Inside Out.
Yes.
Yeah.
He shared the clip in the Discord.
Inside
And he requested that we put that into the intermission next week. So I'll put it in the intermission, but that just means Twerk Nation has to show up. Oh, and
Bing
Twerk
bong,
Nation
bing
has a
bong.
Bing Bong video that he's
Oh
referencing
no,
too.
there's
This is
all these
great.
Bing Bongs.
Well, it's gonna be Bing Bongs. This is a new meme on the show. I think I'm feeling the Bing Bong meme growing stronger constantly. Okay, last little stuff. I just wanted to quickly talk about Cardano NFTs because I don't have any, so that's just my upfront thing. But I have been just starting to look at them because I just see everybody
Pumping
talking about them.
uglies.
Yeah, and there are some funny projects over here. These are the pumping
That's a
uglies.
good one.
This CNFT like kind of is glitchy for me though. Like it doesn't load all the way. It's either my computer. You know what? Let me turn off this shield thing. Maybe that's no. It's this website is okay. I'm waiting for like there needs to be a better marketplace on Cardano, and maybe there is already, but I don't know about it. I just know this is one of the big marketplaces. This one, the Derp Birds. I don't know what it is about these, but I like the Derp Birds. These are sitting right around like
there's
yes.
no. It looks like they have like 8 mouths.
Killed them with
like
fire.
it bothers me.
Oh yeah.
Nothing about that looks like a
really
bird.
bothers you, bro?
Nothing looks like a bird on that.
they're
It's
like,
just that.
they're like mutant ape birds.
Then what the fuck
they
is
don't
it?
have
The
wings.
random ass looking bird thing there? Like, dude, no, these are dumb. I can't do that. This one bothers the hell out of me. It looks
It's
like
because they're derpy. They're hurting your.
Well, they need to have at
insides.
least a fucking beak, you know? Like, what the fuck, man? You
What are
can't
these
call yourself
ones?
a bird with a damn monkey mouth.
Yeah, this
Mutant
website's
greasy
so
monkeys.
glitchy, dude.
Oh,
I gotta say that this
was that a
website is
mix
so
up?
glitchy.
Was that a mix up of the birds and those apes, monkeys?
No, I tried to go to this other one, this mutant grease monkeys.
Was I
but
just?
It's not.
Yeah. So look.
But it's not. Look, these are
all
derp.
birds.
Oh, derp apes. Oh,
Oh,
derp
see,
apes
okay.
by
See, you
derp
got me.
birds.
You're getting me. You're triggering me. You're triggering
Bro,
me.
it's not
and
me.
I don't need to be triggered,
It's
bro.
this website. It's this
Don't
website.
trigger.
Bro. This website says they're called derp birds. And they actually
Oh,
says it's
gosh.
by derp birds. But then the name of the actual NFT is derp ape. So
Okay.
you're right. That's why they look like apes. Maybe these are what the derp birds looked like. I don't know. Now I'm just confused. Like this, the derp.
Yeah, those look like birds. Yeah.
There's too much
Sure,
stuff
those are-
in one collection. I'm confused now. See, this is why I need to get into the Cardano NFT ecosystem so I understand more what's going on, because right now I'm just the definition of confused. Let's go to I wanted to go see what the top projects are. The Ape Society, of course, it's an ape thing. Remember Claymates? Man, I think that was like a last year. That's like one of the longest running, I think, projects on Cardano. Then you got the cabins by the Ape Society. So I'm guessing this is like their land kind of thing. You know, the other thing that pisses me off about this website, you cannot click on these. I'm clicking on these. Yeah, this is, it doesn't go to the project. I'm telling you, this website is dog shite, dog water, whatever you want to call it.
Well, there you go. CNFT.io.
Dog
not
water.
recommended.
Not recommended.
That's going to be the thumbnail title
Not
of this.
recommended.
It's
Like,
just
look at this.
CNFT.io
internet.
sucks.
It's not my internet. Oh, of course. Oh, we know about Steppen, Twerk Nation. We know about Steppen. I don't think Steppen has the Steppen craze though. Is kind of, I feel like, fizzled out because now you can't make like $200 by just walking around anymore.
I have the token
People
here.
want easy money.
I trade it once in a
GMT.
while. Yeah. It's not it's been kind of a yeah.
What?
It's kind of since March, right? March is the big pump, and then through June, July. I think it was like July started to suck. No, it was back here in May. No.
Yeah, that was.
May's
I think
starting to
May
suck.
sounds like when it was like raging. Like
It was
it was during the
peaked.
bull,
It peaked in May and then dropped.
just like everything did, really. Just like
but I
everything
remember
did.
back in like March and stuff.
Dude,
that was like
stepping was the thing. Stepping was the thing. Mythological gods. That looks like it might be an AI thing, but I can't tell because nothing loads. Nothing loads. Look, it gives me a broken image icon. I'm telling you, CNFT, get your shit together. I want to show Cardano NFTs. I want to even maybe buy one, but I don't want to use your site because it's so garbage. Sorry, everybody. That's my rant. Cardano NFTs.
Right.
If this is the best marketplace you have,
is that the best
then you're not
marketplace
gonna
for
make
Cardano?
it.
I've
I don't
never
know.
even tried to look for Cardano NFTs.
Yeah, this
so-
is new to me. I've just really only seriously actually started looking in the past couple days. But the just because Wob from Sappy Seals is just milking the shit out of their community for engagement. But it got me genuinely curious about what was going on over here. And I just can't really, I can't get into it when half the images don't load, the links don't work. I can't go to the activity page and click on a project. So like if I want to see this one, I think I have to go search for the Ape Society. I want to see the most poppin' project on Cardano right now, or at least on this network. Okay, floor is 2,398 and 390.88. What is this Cardano right now? Like $1-ish, maybe?
No,
Less than
bro.
$1?
It hasn't been $1 in a minute.
Shows how
It's,
out of touch I am right now with Cardano.
Yeah, 45 cents.
Ooh. Okay. But yeah, so these still are sitting around $1,000 floor price, it looks like. And of course, only a couple of them are loading, but you can see these. It's like almost like portraits, almost like ape portraits.
They are
it looks
kind of
like.
cool looking.
Oh man, all of this is coming soon. Data
Jeez
is
Louise,
coming soon.
dude.
I mean, we Cardano NFTs, maybe it's just a little too early. But here's 7,000 unique apes. I actually, dare I say it, I kind of like the
makes me
portrait
angry.
style apes.
I do like them. I know.
I
do
kind of
kinda
like these.
it,
Oh
but-
God! Of course, they retweeted Wob saying this is one of my favorite projects on Cardano. Oh God! Of course, he's infected the whole Cardano ecosystem. I'm telling you. But I do like these. So
But
then
that's
these
like
are their
the
houses. the
Cardano
cabins.
ecosystem's like 10 people. So it's like
Apparently, yeah,
What?
10 people. I don't know. Yeah, something like that. Yeah, for sure. I
okay,
don't,
52.
I'm trying to figure out. Okay, how can I see the Ape Society cabins? How much are the cabins? Oh my God, dude, this website is just. I tell you what, it's something special, dude. This website is something special. I can see him on Twitter. That's not a good sign. Twitter's better than the actual network. Oh, it looks like these are around 2,500-ish Cardano, 1,400-ish Cardano. Yeah, those are nice little cabins. They look very cozy. Like an ape would love to live in one of those cabins, I'm sure. I do like these. But
right.
for $1,000, I don't know. I don't know if I like them for $1,000. But
Fucking
okay.
Cardano, man.
Well, I think that's going to do it for today's show. We will, if you have more suggestions of NFT projects, join the Discord, Twerk Nation. I think you might already be in there. Do we already know who you are, or is this your first time at the show? Because I feel like maybe I've seen another one of your alts here before, but that's what's confusing when someone uses a bunch of different alts. But yeah, if you have more NFT projects, shoot them to us in the Discord. And we'll check them out, and we can show them on next week's show. So we'll be back Moon Day.
Check them out.
Moon Day, same time, same place, 10 a.m. Eastern. And yeah, I hope, other than that, I hope you guys have a great weekend. Get out there, touch some grass, or just be
Touch
a
some
degen all
grass.
weekend. I respect you either way. And we will then see you back here on Monday. Thanks for joining us.
Good morning, GM.